it's a special market opening because we're celebrating the listing on the NEO exchange of a first company that is part of the travel industry. And I'm very, very proud and very honored to be able to welcome Canada Jetlines on our venue.
This is an important milestone for our airline. We're all excited here at the Canada Jetline team to start trading. It's a great day also for an investor, and happy to be the first airline to be listed on the NEO and to be part of this great success story that the NEO has been over the last 6 years. I think it's important for us and for our investors to be listed on an exchange, a tier 1 exchange, both for the ability to trade, liquidity that comes with it, and especially the high standards that in corporate governance and financial reporting that is required for companies to be listed on the NEO.
Eddy, back to you, and would love you to give us and the entire audience some more insights about Canada Jetlines.
We do see and believe that the pandemic has created actually a rare opportunity to start a new airline with a clean and fresh balance sheet. It has offered an opportunity to acquire assets such as aircraft lease, which would have been very difficult for a new startup 2 years ago. We all now have amazing opportunities to acquire these assets at roughly 50% the price of what we would have to pay pre-COVID. And the same can be said to a certain extent on negotiating contract with different vendors under very favorable conditions. Of course, which is very important, we've been able to put in an amazing, very experienced and very talented board of director and management team. And we do believe that this will be key to our success as a company. I also like to stress the fact of our relationship with the global crossing airline based in Miami, which has retained a minority position in Canada Jetlines. And this has given us a leg up on many aspects of starting a new airline, whether it's all the technical publications that are required, our maintenance program, etc. And we do believe that this strategic relationship we have with Global, we will continue to see the benefits here in the future, leveraging their extended network in the industry. Canadians are eager to start traveling again as we move here in the post-pandemic era, especially leisure travel. People are looking forward to be able to get away, and that's what we're going to be focusing on, is an airline that will allow Canadians to travel to some of their favorite spots with a focus on the USA, Mexico, and the Caribbean. So we're planning to start operation in the first half of 2022. That, of course, is pending approval from the different agencies in Canada, whether it's Canadian Transportation Agency and the obtaining our certificate with Transport Canada. Both agencies, we started working with them a couple months ago, and we're well underway. Our fleet will consist of Airbus 320. We'll start with one aircraft early in 2022, with a plan to grow the airline at about 4 aircraft per year and have a fleet of approximately 15 airplanes by 2025. So we see this as a rare opportunity for people to get involved with a new airline, from the get-go. Basically a great ground opportunity. We do believe that our board of director and management team is a key asset to this airline. And, we think our investors will be very happy with our performance.
As I said, a very memorable one for us also. This is a real first, and clearly a token on how our exchange continues to break open boundaries and go into new directions after opening up in a great way our business in the mining industry. Today we are doing it with you in the travel industry, and it's only the beginning of many more.